So this is a quick walkthrough of the Holden Commodore. As you can see, the body's in pretty good nick. The interior, got all the features as described in the description. Plenty of space. The middle compartment comes down, so you can put stuff in the boot and have it through the cabin. It's not too bad on fuel. Just minor scratches in the front. It's the same on the other side. A really big boot. The air conditioning needs to be reconditioned. Again, a problem with the brake lights, so when you press the brake lights aren't working, but all the driving lights are working, so that can be fixed by auto electrician. It's a 3.8 litre V6 fuel injected. Runs really well. Also, the bonnet hydraulics are not working as well, so they'll need to be regassed, otherwise the bonnet just closes. So we just use a pole to prop it up. But that's about it. Everything else is pretty good.